The LifeSmart Canvas Demo Box features a portable design. With a built-in retractable handle and smooth rollers, you can easily take your smart home showroom anywhere. For a professional mobile display, the box integrates a fully smart ecosystem, including lighting, shading, climate, sensors, and scenes. Activate home mode with one tap to light up your space and open the curtains automatically. You can easily adjust the brightness and switch between warm and cool white light on the Nature 7 Pro. The system monitors the environment in real time to keep your home at the perfect temperature. Switch to leave mode to turn off all lights, close the curtains, and arm your security system instantly. Tap curtain on Nature 7 Pro to open curtain, and tap AC to open AC. Everything is perfectly synchronized with the LifeSmart app for seamless remote control. Select the bright mode to illuminate the entire living area for daily activities. Switch to movie mode to dim the main lights and create an immersive atmosphere with ambient lighting. The dining mode provides full brightness to create a clean and vibrant eating environment. You can also use the Nature Switch, Trait Dimmer, and Blend Switch Pro to control separate lighting in the living room and dining room. The LifeSmart Canvas Demo Box makes smart living simple, secure, and portable. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of smart homes.